Hi everyone, this is Rahul Soni. I am from Ranchi. I have completed my bachelor's in computer application from Ranchi University in 2019. I always wanted to work into the field of the data, so hence I decided to join AlmaBetter full stack data science programs. And after completing this program, I'm able to change my role into a data engineer in my previous company. And after enrolling to the Alumni X placement drive, I am able to secure a job offer from Affine Analytics within the 8 months of the program. The reason behind I chose AlmaBetter over the other institution was the pay after placement model. Believe me, AlmaBetter is doing a fantastic job by providing risk-free education to the student who wanted to work in the field of data science without thinking or worrying about the financial aspect. So the entire placement drive helped me a lot to secure my dream jobs. Multiple mock interviews boosted my confidence and helped me to prepare for any task, any question that were asked in actual interview. In addition, AlmaBetter provided with a personal career coach who helped me a lot throughout the process. The one-on-one mentorship session with an industry professional was a blissful experience for me. AlmaBetter is providing an excellent opportunity to the student where they can discuss their problem or gain some insights from the industry professionals or data science professionals. I also enjoyed working with the like-minded people on the capstone projects where I gain the skills of the teamwork and also gain the various insightful experience. AlmaBetter is a wonderful place to start a data science job. It's helped me to upgrade my skills and achieve my dream goals. And if you are dedicated towards your dreams, AlmaBetter definitely provide you an easy path to achieve that.